In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get help in Gmail in just about 5 minutes. Whether you've been using Gmail for years or you're relatively new to it, there are always moments when we might need a bit of assistance navigating through its features or solving a particular issue that arises. Google has designed Gmail to be intuitive and user-friendly, but sometimes a little extra help can go a long way. Today I'll guide you through how to access Gmail's help resources directly from your inbox. First things first, let's start by heading over to your Gmail inbox. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in gmail.com in the address bar. Once you're there, log in with your email address and password if you haven't already. Once logged in, you'll find yourself looking at your inbox, where all your emails are housed. This is our starting point. Now take a moment to look towards the upper right-hand corner of your screen. You'll notice a variety of icons next to your profile picture. One of these icons looks like a question mark. This icon is your gateway to Gmail's help resources. The design is quite intuitive, placing help just a click away, ensuring assistance is readily accessible without having to wade through menus or leave your email interface. Now go ahead and click on that question mark icon. Upon clicking, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with several options. Here you're looking for the option that simply reads Help. The layout here is designed to be straightforward, making it easy for you to identify the help option amidst the other choices. Once you find and click on Help, you will be directed to Gmail's help interface. This is where Google has centralized all its support resources for Gmail. The design and organization here are aimed at offering a comprehensive yet navigable help experience. You'll find a vast repository of articles, troubleshooting guides, and FAQs that cover a wide spectrum of topics related to Gmail. Whether your issue is with sending or receiving emails, understanding how to organize your inbox, or anything in between, you're likely to find a guide or an article addressing it. It's worth noting a few extra tips to enhance your help-seeking experience. Firstly, utilize the search feature within the help interface. If you have a specific issue or question in mind, typing keywords into the search bar can quickly bring up relevant guides and articles. This is a time saver, especially when you're in a hurry to find a fix. Moreover, Gmail's help resources are continuously updated. As Google rolls out new features or updates existing ones, the help section also gets updated accordingly. So if you're ever unsure about a new feature, or if something in your inbox looks different than before, the help section is a good place to start for up-to-date information. Lastly, while navigating through the help resources, make sure to check out the visuals provided within the articles. These can include screenshots, GIFs, or even short video clips offering a visual complement to the written instructions. For many of us, seeing how something is done can significantly enhance our understanding and make following the steps much easier. To wrap up, Gmail's help feature is a robust resource designed to assist you with a wide array of inquiries and issues you might encounter while using the service. Accessing it is as simple as clicking the question mark icon in your inbox and selecting Help. From there, the world of Gmail support is at your fingertips, complete with searchable articles, step-by-step guides, and up-to-date information on all features. Remember to utilize the search function for efficiency, and refer to visual aids within articles for a more comprehensive understanding. That's all for today's guide on how to get help in Gmail. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that it makes navigating Gmail's support features a breeze for you. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out through the comments section if you have any questions or need further assistance.